despite the odds, di ba, we won. So it's a sweet return, happy and exciting return.
So you have to do orientation po?
No, photo opportunity lang. So I think this is for the incoming 20th Congress, so they needed our photos. Yeah.
Linawin ko magulong yung tanong kanina. It's about the minority, yung position ng minority. So far, sir, yung initial discussion niyo, sir, magiging minority na ba, sir, talaga?
Wala pang ang final discussion. We've been kasi hindi kami magkasabay-sabay. You know, I left for abroad, graduation ng kapatid ng anak ko. No? And then, after that, pagdating ko, si Bam naman ang umalis. No? So, hindi pa kami nagkakaroon ng masinsinang pag-uusap. So, we're scheduling that, of course, sa lalong madaling panahon.
Pero sir, personally, ang feeling of course is...
I'd not want to preempt any discussion.
So we
hindi pa. Pero I'm sure malapit na yun dahil busy lang sa pag-aayos ng opisina, di ba? Yung ating hiring. So, but I'm sure that will come soon.
Si Tito Senko expressed willingness to be minority leader. What are your thoughts on that?
Again, I will not preempt yung discussions namin nung kasi tandem kami tumakbo, di ba? And si Senator Risa was our pinaka-campaign coordinator manager. So we have to sit down first and discuss this.
Sir, naku-consider niyo yung emerging minority yung Duterte 5?
Again, I will not discuss until I've sat down with Bam and Risa.
Sir, sa impeachment po, ano po yung thoughts niyo sa pagkawid nito sa 20th Congress?
I already said this, na continuing body ang Senate, therefore the 20th Congress, as jurisdiction has been established and acquired sa 19th Congress, it will carry over to the 20th Congress. At ang tungkulin natin is to try and decide the case. You know? Kung walang ebidensya o kulang ang ebidensya, hindi sapat, acquittal. Kung sapat naman ang ebidensya, conviction. So we have to go through the process. Kung meron silang ebidensya, ilabas nila at tayo ay magpapasya.
So,
hindi pa tayo officially nakaupo, so I will also refrain from making comments until such time. In the meantime, ako ay Senator-elect.
Sir, si Atty. Tonggol po sees the high probability daw na mag-profile ng motion for early dismissal yung County VP Sara by next week. Are you saying that yan daw po yung...
Let's wait. Hindi pa naman nangyayari. So there's nothing to comment until it happens. In the meantime, it's speculative.
Pero sakaling ganun, anong proseso, sir?
Hintayin natin.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Exciting, and then at the same time learn a lot of things. So pareho silang involved sa legislation, pero magkaiba kasi mas maliit ang Senate kumpara sa Congress. Pero I learned a lot of things during the briefing, pati yung legislation and conduct at binigay sa amin kanina.
How are you preparing for the impeachment now?
Oh, well, I've been reviewing yung mga committee hearings ng Senate during the past few days. Binabalikan ko sa YouTube, pati yung sa website mismo ng Senate, tinitignan ko yung mga discussions. And then at the same time sa Congress, then yung mga press releases, binabalikan ko yung mga write-ups and newspapers. So, yun, isa sa preparations para naman hindi ako mawala. Ibig sabihin, in step ako what's happening right now. Alam ko, binalik ng Senate sa Congress, yung impeachment. So, and what I heard, ay babalik din ng Congress agad dito sa Senate. Pero, I don't know, may rule tayo na one-year rule. I don't know how they will do that.
What can we expect from you, sir, as a new senator judge? This is your first time po to be a senator judge in the impeachment. Ano po expect ng tao sa inyo?
Well, I'm trained as a journalist, di ba? We're on evidence-based when we do our stories, di ba? Statements on both sides. Hindi mo pwedeng isa lang may nagrereklamo, tapos kailangan kunin mo rin yung nireklamo. So, basically the same as a journalist and then as a center judge, I have to look at the pieces of evidence submitted by the prosecution and then yung mga statements nila. And then I have to wait also for the evidence, pieces of evidence submitted by the defense. And then yung statements nila. And then, we have to hear out and then we have to review yung mga evidence na file. Hindi yun dahil sabi lang nito, sabi niya gano'n. Pakinggan mo pareho and then you have to weigh.
Pero sir, kasi may debate pa kung pwedeng tumurid sa 20th Congress o hindi. Kayo ba may firm stand na dapat itong tumurid?
Well, we will just wait. I mean, I'm part of the 20th Congress. Depende na yun sa Congress, di ba? Kung how they will do that, itatawid ka agad nila ngayon sa 20th Congress, then we'll just have to wait. Since I'm...
May ka-veto to a vote daw.
Vote sa Senate?
Kung magka-trial kayo o hindi, o depende sa pananaw ng 20th Congress kung pwede o hindi.
Well, it depends kung anong sasabihin ng mga kasamahan ng majority ng grupo sa 20th Congress and Senate. Kung pagbubutuhan nila or what. Diba?
Did you say you are prepared for the impeachment already?
Yeah, I'm preparing. Kasi part yun ng constitutional duty ng isang senator. So, whether we like it or not, kung ako tatanungin mo, it will take so much time instead of focusing legislation. And I'm sure people, may ibang grupo na ayaw nila. Pero nandyan na yan So, I guess we have to do our job. Question na lang is, paano? What will be the outcome? So, depende pa rin doon sa mga evidence na will be submitted by the prosecution and then yung mga counter affidavits ng defense. So, depende pa rin.
So kayo, sir, gusto niyong matuloy sa 20th? You're of the belief na dapat ituloy na siya sa 20th?
Sa akin lang naman, tinitignan ko yung mga tao, binabasa ko hati May mga nagsasabi na, bakit pa itutuloy yan? Sayang yung oras. May mga nagsasabi na, no, let's hear it. We want to hear. Ano ba talaga? Meron ba? Sa akin naman, kung ako tatanungin personally, why not? Why not? Then, kung it's the VP is not guilty, then so be it. Then let's dismiss the case, di ba? Bakit natin pipilitin kung hindi siya guilty, di ba? Meron siya mga evidence, statements na will say so na she's innocent, di ba? She's not guilty. Pero kung the evidence will really, didiin siya doon, then we don't have a choice. So, nandun kailangan some people, or half of the population yata, wants to hear ano bang meron dyan. Totoo ba o hindi, di ba? Yung kaiba naman, sayang ang oras.
So dapat dinggit sa 20th Congress, at least yung stand.
Dinggit na lang sa Congress and para ilatag natin sa tao, di ba? Para mawala din yung agam-agam. I believe even the camp of the VP wants na, sige, we're ready, we'll fight. We're not hiding anything. Parang ganun yung message ng Office of the VP. We have nothing to hide, so why? Ganun din ako. If there's nothing to hide, then let's go. Let's go on.
So yung remand, yung pag-return yung articles of impeachment, do you agree with that?
Nasa Congress yun kung anong plano nila. Pero, diba there's a rule, 1-year rule na hindi mo kaagad may file na sinasabi. Kasi may nagsabi initially, after the SORNA. Pero tinitingnan ko, sabi ko, teka muna, napafile lang. Diba? So, there's a one year
Sir, yung orientation, sir, ano mga napag-usapan?
Yun na nga, yung mga sa pag-file ng bill, sa legislation, and then yung mga benefits ng mga senator, at saka yung mga staff nila, and then yung mga protocols, security protocol, etc.
Sir, that's ano lang adjustments niya, sir, from being congressman to senator?
From being a congressman to senator, dati deputy majority leader ako for communications, dito hindi ko alam, siguro, at depende kung anong Senate tayo mailalagay. Pero wala naman, basically adjustment. Wish list. Nasa wish list ko yung social justice and welfare. Yung parang sa DSWD.
Recent IMEA.
Nandun si Madam. Kaya siguro, hingin na lang ako maging vice chair niya.